creamed zucchini like a zucchini pesto. Delicious recipe. Stay tuned. Hello, everybody. This is Alessandra. Welcome to my home. Welcome to my kitchen. It's summertime. The veggies are in. These are beautiful zucchini from my local farm, which is Samaha Farm in Aberdeen, New Jersey. Stop in. Nora's the owner. Tell her I sent you there. Hopefully, we'll meet there. If you see me there, stop and say hello. Anyway, this is super easy, super delicious. It's pasta with zucchini. Really, I like them creamed. That's what it's almost like a pesto, but it's cooked, but it has that lots of basil and the pignoli nuts. Okay, so let's get started. I already put my pot of water, salted water on, and we're gonna go really quick. Using a fresh pasta, sapori del vallo, any shape, any type, fresh. The one in a box, the dry box, it all works fine. I do prefer this because it's a softer consistency and it's really, really nice when it gets so coated with the zucchini. So for every pound of pasta, I double up on 2 pounds of zucchini. So here are the zucchini, pignoli nuts, basil, garlic, Parmigiano Reggiano, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Let's move right over to the stove. Okay, the heat is on the frying pan. I'm just going to toast the pignoli nuts right in. Careful not to burn them. As that's happening, what I'm going to do is cut the top of the zucchini and the bottom, then just go halfway down, and then basically you're quartering them. Okay, don't move away from the stove because you don't want to burn the pignoli nuts. I didn't burn them. Going to remove them and set them aside. Be generous with the extra virgin olive oil because don't forget, this is going to be the condiment that's going to coat the pasta. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. Okay. Flame on medium high and let the garlic release its flavor into the oil. Don't forget, this is the same pan we used to roast the pignoli. So what's going to happen, that's also a little bit of an underlying flavor. Tip the pan like that. It browns quickly. Going to go ahead and remove the garlic. It did its job. Now the zucchini is going. Go ahead and add the salt. Keep it on medium high and let it cook. Look at this beautiful, vibrant green color. It'll be cooking about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and reserve just a couple scoops to decorate the top of the pasta. Going to get now this creamed with an immersion blender. So I'm putting it in a heat-proof bowl. On to the next step. We're going to cream the zucchini now. Just add the basil right into. It's going to be nice and thick. Don't worry because you could add a little bit of the pasta water later. I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese in too. A little bit at a time because you don't want it clumping since it's so hot. Che profumo, che profumo. It smells divine. Going to give the pignoli nuts a rough chop. Now it's up to you. You could even put them with the immersion blender, but I like that crunchiness when you eat the pasta. That's drop the pasta right in. Now this is a fresh pasta, so it cooks within minutes. Okay, going to add the creamed zucchini back in the frying pan. The nuts right in, and lots of black pepper. Pasta is ready. Let's add it right in. Before you start mixing, add some of the pasta water and give it a good stir. If you feel it's dry, just a little bit more of the pasta water. And that's it. And we're ready to serve. Look at this cream. You would think you put a dairy product like a heavy cream or ricotta. Laid it in the fancy plate for the pictures because l'occhio vuole la sua parte. Ecco. See why I reserved some before? Just to add like this on your plate. A little bit of the basil and some of the nuts. All right. La pasta non aspetta nessuno. Come on, everybody, get downstairs and let's eat together. Aspetta. Oh. Delizioso, delicious, unbelievable. My daughter walked in the kitchen and said, it smells like Italy. So you know what? I take that as a wonderful compliment, and we're going to be enjoying lunch. Anyway, grazie for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share the recipe, and make these recipes for your loved one. This was truly a 20-minute meal. Grazie, alla prossima, arrivederci. Ciao ciao.